Okay guys, so you've seen the video from the store, and this is what we got. This is what we got. This Moj thing, and oh yeah, Magic 8 Ball. Okay, so which one do you open first? Okay, the hard one first. Oh no, that's not really the hard. Wow! So hard to get the plastic. Focus. Okay, let's open it. Oh no! What are we gonna get? The cat, or the dog? What's that? Cool. Okay. Let's see what we get. What is that? Oh. I didn't get the cat or dog. I didn't know it would be like a squishy thing. I actually thought it would just be a fuzzy toy. Okay, let's check on the whatever thing list. I forget what it was called. Okay, which one do I have? Guys, help me find it. There it is. That's what we have. We have this one. I was hoping to get this one. Oh, that's okay. We got this one. I don't know. Is that a penguin? What is that? Comment down below. Do you think this is an owl or a penguin? Looks like a penguin to me. Let's open this. What is this? What is that? Comment down below if you know what this is and this, because I have no idea what it is. Now we will move on to the next one, the Magic 8 Ball. My friend Callan, I think you've seen this video in the slime party video. He has one of these, and I'm like, I want one. The Magic 8 Ball. Oh, wow. Okay, this is an 8 ball, and oh my, that's so cool. I said this is the 8 ball, and that says most likely. This is a penguin or owl. I'm gonna tell it a yes or no question. Is this a penguin? Cannot predict now. Is this an owl? What does that say, Mama?
Concentrate and ask again.
What? Okay, I'll just forget it. Okay, the 8 ball and this thing. And that's what I got. These are what I got with my $14 from selling lemonade. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in because I have no idea what this is for. Check. Oh, you know, this is a checklist. I just remembered. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Click the bell button too. Bye-bye.